Okay, these are your 2-7 notes. First, we're just going to do a quick review. You've done this forever. We know that the less than sign looks like that. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. I like to call it my alligator mouth. Does the alligator want to eat the 8 or the 2? It wants to eat the 8. There's my those are its teeth. Negative 44, negative 44. Those are equal. Negative 10, negative 15. Well, you think the 15, but actually negative 10 is a bigger number. Just think, I'd rather only have to pay someone $10 than $15. And then the alligator wants to eat the 1. All right, so that's review. Now we are going to solve inequalities. An inequality is an equation that has a less than, greater than, one of these signs in it. To solve inequalities, you solve them just like equations, just what we've been doing. Make sure the variable stays on the same side that it starts on. If your problem is addition, we subtract. We do the opposite to move it, remember, to the other side. And we use the same inequality sign. So number 1, I see it has a plus 9. I'm going to subtract 9. So the 9's go away. I have an x. 15 minus 9 is 6. And I use the same exact sign. So up top, there's a greater than sign. So I just put a greater than sign back. Number 2, I'm going to subtract 29 on both sides. That marks out. I'm left with x on that side, 13. It's a less than sign. I just copy down the sign. So this should not be hard at all. It's doing the exact things we did before. Negative 50 minus 3, that is a negative 53. X on this side, and copy the sign. Make sure, since my x started on this side of the line, it has to finish on this side. If you flip it over, then it will be wrong. All right, I'm going to subtract 6. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. X greater than or equal to sign. All right, addition's pretty clear. When a problem is subtraction, you add and use the same sign. All right, so x minus 9, I've got to add 9 to both sides. X on this side, 15 plus 9 is 24. Copy down the sign. You could even copy down the sign in the beginning if that is better for you, because we know it's going to be the same. X on this side, negative 42 plus 29 is negative 13. I'm going to go ahead and copy down my sign. I'm going to add 3. Negative 50 plus 3 is negative 47, and the x is on that side. Notice, whatever side my x starts on is the side he finishes on every time. Oops, what's that side now? Don't move him around. This one, I'm just going to add 6, 10, greater than or equal to x. All right, turn to the back page, or the back side of this page. All right, this is when inequalities get a little different than equations. Remember, with our inequalities, we just copied down the same signs when we were adding or subtracting. If the number that you move is a negative number, when you are multiplying or dividing, you must flip the inequality sign. So let's do some practice. The 9 and the x are being multiplied, so I divide. The problem being multiplied, we divide. I divide by 9. X, that 9 right here, he is not negative, so I'm just going to copy it down like I did with addition and subtraction. They're being multiplied, I divide. x, copy down the sign because that's just a regular old 14. And the answer's not 13. It's -6. All right. It switched sides on me, but I'm just going to move that 3 away. -39 minus 3 is -13. I copy my sign because this 3 is just a regular old 3. And x is left on that side. Be sure your x stays on the side he is supposed to stay on. Same thing, I just copied down the sign, divided that 9. All right, now I have to divide by -21. And what I said before, when you move a negative, I took a -21 from here, and I moved it there. I have moved a negative. This is the first time we've done it. My x stays on this side. Sorry. This becomes a -2. And right now, my sign is less than. I have to flip it over and make it greater than. All right? So I'm moving a -9. So whenever you move that, you got to think, oh no, red flag, -9. That means I'm going to flip my sign. -18 divided by -9, that is a 2. The x is on this side. My sign is greater than. I need to make it less than. If you don't flip your sign, it's not right. All right? I'm dividing by -4. And looky there, I moved a negative. So I got to remember to flip my sign. 11 on this side. The x is left on that side. It was less than or equal to. I have to make it greater than or equal to. Next one, I got to divide -6. 24 divided by -6 is a -4. X is on the right side. And I need to flip that sign, all right? So when you move a positive number, you just copy it down. When you move a negative number with multiplication and division, you have to flip it. Don't ever flip it with addition and subtraction. All right, when a problem's division, you multiply. So let's practice. This bar means divide. So I'm going to multiply by 5 to get that little guy by himself. X is alone. That's 75. That was not a -5 that I moved, so I'm just going to copy down my sign. This is being divided, so I want to multiply by 3. That was a regular 3. I'm just going to copy down my sign. -126. All right, we flip sides, but it's still being divided. I'm going to multiply. 2 times -50 is -100. I did not move a -2, so I copy my sign. Be sure your x stays on the side it starts on. Multiply by 6. 24 on this side. There's a regular 6. I'm going to copy the sign. All right. Now this time I'm dividing, so I have to multiply, but he's a -6. And whenever we move a negative, what do we have to do? We have to flip our sign. X less than or equal to -18. Because he started out greater than or equal to, so I had to flip him over. I'm multiplying -9 this time. X is left on this side. I moved a negative, so I got to flip my sign. That guy was negative. -4 times -9 is a 36. Divide by a -5. I moved a negative right here. So the x stays on the side it's on. I'm going to flip my sign. -5 times 17 is -85. I've got to multiply by a -2. I just moved a negative. -2 times -2 is a 4. I've got to flip that sign and an x. All right, There is a practice page on the next page. I need you to do all of these 1 through 12. Look back at your notes. If it's add or subtract, just add or subtract and copy the sign. If you multiply or divide by a positive number, multiply or divide, copy down the sign. If you multiply or divide by a negative number, that's when you flip it. All right, thank you.